Good morning, my all dear students. I hope you all are fine and fit. So, today in this maths video, let us practice some word problems on subtraction. To the first example. Anju brought 562 sweets on her birthday. She distributed 326 sweets among her friends. How many sweets left with her? So now, as I have told earlier, that whenever you found the word left in the word problem, that means you have to do the subtraction. So first you underline the given information. Anju brought 562 sweets and she distributed 226 sweets among her friends. Now, as we are doing in addition word problem, same process we will do. First we will write down solution, then the same sentences. Number of sweets she brought equals to 562. Then number of sweets she distributed equals to 326. Write down ones, tens, hundred, subtraction sign, and then the sentence you have to write down here for the subtraction. That what was the question? How many sweets left with her? So you will write down here number of sweets left equals to. Now do the subtraction. 6 we will subtract from 2, which is not possible, so we will cut 2 and make it 12, and as we have borrowed 1 from the tens place digit, so 6 will become 5. Now count from the after number of 6 till 12. So from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 and 5 minus 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 and 3 we have to subtract from 5. So after 3, 4, 5, 2. So how many sweets left with Anju? So now we will write down the answer. 236 sweets left with Anju. Now see the sum, students. See the word problem. This is the process of writing the full word problem. Here marks distributions. Once I will say you, the total sum will come in 3 marks. So 1 marks for writing these sentences, 1 marks for doing this addition or subtraction, and 1 marks is for writing this answer. So you have to do this full process whenever you are doing word problem, sums on addition or subtraction. Now let's see the next example. Reenu had 815 eggs in her basket. Out of them 157 were broken. So how many eggs are left in her baskets? So let us first underline the information that Reenu had 815 eggs in her basket and 157 eggs were broken. Now we have to write the sentences. Solution first we will write down, then we will write down number of eggs in the basket, that is 850. Then number of eggs broken equals to 157. Ones, tens, hundred and subtraction sign. Then you will draw a line and you will write down the sentence over here that number of eggs left equals to. Now do the subtraction. First we have to subtract 7 from 5, but as it is not possible, so we will cut 5 and make it 15. And as we have borrowed 1 from here, so 1 is becoming 0. Now see students, see it very carefully. First you subtract 7 from 15. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8, we will write here 8. Now, is it possible to subtract 5 from 0? Not possible. So again we will cut 0 and make it 10, and as we have borrowed 1 from hundreds place, so 8 will become 7. Now it's possible to subtract 5 from 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5. And if we subtract 1 from 7, then we will get 6. Okay. Now you have to write down the answer. 658 eggs are left in Renu's basket. So see this word problem, students. I hope you all got the sum. Okay. Now let's move to the next example. Mr. Roy made 550 cakes for a party. His son ate 271 cakes out of them. So how many cakes are left for the party? So first underline the given information, that how many cakes he had made and how many cakes his son ate. Now write down the solution and then write down the sentences, that number of cakes Mr. Roy made. So he has made 550. Then number of cakes his son ate, 271. Then put ones, tens and hundred, subtraction sign, draw a line over here, and now you have to write what? That number of cakes left. Now let us do the subtraction. So first we have to cut 0 and make it 10, as 0 is a smaller number, and as we have borrowed 1 from 5, so we will cut 5 and make it 4. So now let's count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 9. Again here see students, 4 is a smaller number than 7. So we will carry 1 from hundreds place and make it 14, and we will, as we have borrowed 1 from hundreds place, so 5 will become 4. Now let's count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7. And if we subtract 2 from 4, we get 2. So we got the answer that 279 cakes are left for the party. See the word problem? So I hope you all have understood the 3 word problems, and along with this I will give you more for homework. So these 3 and the homework sums all you do in your maths copy, and keep practicing word problems more and more.